Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Mexc to Bingx. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Mexc application. Once you have logged into your Mexc account, after that you just need to simply tap the wallet section at the bottom right corner, and after that click on the spot at the top, and at the middle of your screen you will be able to see withdraw button, so simply tap on this withdraw. Now from this list of cryptocurrencies in the search bar, you have to simply search USDT and select Tether. Now here you need to select the withdrawal method, so simply tap the on-chain withdrawal. After that you will be landed on this page. Here you will need the withdrawing address and the selection of network and the amount of USDT you are transferring into your Bingx account. Now in order to get the USDT address, you just need to simply minimize your Mexc and open your Bingx application. Now once you have successfully logged into your Bingx account, after that click on Assets tab at the bottom right corner and click on this blue highlighted deposit button. Now click on the deposit cryptos, and from this list of cryptocurrencies in the search bar you have to search for USDT and select Tether. Now here you need to select the deposit network. You can select any network according to your requirements, but always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. After that I'm selecting here Binance Smart Chain and click on get address. Here you can see your USDT Binance Smart Chain wallet address along with the QR code. Simply copy this address, and after you successfully copied, simply reopen your Mexc exchange, and after that paste your address in the withdrawal address bar. After that click on network and select Binance Smart Chain also here. After that enter the amount of USDT you are transferring into your Bingx account, and then you need to click on confirm button at the bottom right corner. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Mexc to Bingx. That's how you can transfer USDT from Mexc to Bingx. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.